stacking apples, be lonely. Feed the fam, that's what they call me.
Hey everybody, so we're back today with another video. Everything that you see here came from Dollar Tree. So this placemat and this frame both came from Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna try, I'm not sure how this is gonna go, but I was just like, let me just see. I know, like the holidays are coming up. People are looking for unique decor for their households and for, just to show for when people come over, they're looking for something unique, just to, have to add to the theme, to the season, to the event. So this placemat just says thankful, grateful, blessed. And I thought it was really cute and really fall-like and great for like Thanksgiving. So that's why I picked it up. And hopefully once I'm done, it doesn't look like a placemat no more, but that's what it say. And then so the way I measure my pictures and stuff is to go like that. So this is the way that I want this picture to go. You want to make sure, well, this placemat to go, I want it to sit like that. So I know it's going to fit just because it does cover the words. So I'm going to go ahead and take the backing off. Take all this stuff out. And I'm even going to take no, I'm not going to take the glass out. I'm going to leave the glass in. I'm going to put that off to the side. And what I'm going to do, all these words, I'm going to cover it up. So that way I know where to cut. I'm just going to move this frame out the way. And now I'm going to cut. Now you don't need no special tools or nothing. Like this is cutting fine with the scissors. So this is what it looks like now. I cut it all up. So I'm just gonna really take it and kind of just make it fit way better on here. So I'll come back after I get it all fixed up, but this is an inexpensive thing that you can do, and I'll be back. My recommendation to be, once you cut it all the way down to really, be able to measure, is that you use a piece of tape to kind of just hold everything in place. It's not going to mess up just because it's both, it's that shiny material, so it'll come right off, but you just want to make sure that you're cutting it so it'll be able to fit in the frame. So I just got to cut off all that just to make sure, it fits. So now I have already cut off, cut up the placemat. So now I'm going to just peel this paper off here. I'm going to put it in here. You don't need like the backing. I know like some people like to put like this paper behind it, but I don't really think that you need it for this. So you just want to try to make sure you get it all really good in there. Make sure everything is down. And there you have it. I know it looks a little squished at the top there, but let me try to see if I can cut it down a little bit more at the bottom here, so then that way, you know, thankful, grateful, and blessed, you're able to see this. And this is, like I said, something nice that you can hang up for, you know, like the holidays or something. If you're having an event at your house, or maybe you just want to incorporate it into like your wedding design, especially if it's like in a fall, or yeah, like in the fall, because you are thankful that you're, you know, that you found somebody. You're grateful that, you know, that they're accepted of you, and you're grateful for the opportunities, and, you know, your life together, and you're definitely blessed. So let me try to fix this, and I will be right back. So I'm back, and now as I'm really looking at it, as you see, the T was already like this, so it was already kind of like, you know, built like that. But you could still, people will still make out what you're trying to say, you know, what the picture is saying. But this will be a cute, inexpensive decor piece that you can incorporate at your next like wedding, your household event, at your house for like the holidays, or maybe, you know, for like the fall, just, you know, to have something up. But I like it. And nobody's not going to know that you cut up. Let me move this stuff away. So nobody's not going to know that you cut up a placemat to make your picture. Nobody, because it doesn't look like a placemat. Let me show you. So say that this was your wall. It looks like you bought this picture, or maybe printed this out, or maybe you're the type of person that uses like a circuit, and you're able to, you know, do stuff like that. But that's what it is. I love doing different framework. I'll definitely link down below how I transformed a gift bag into like something that you can use at your next event. But nobody's not going to be able to tell that this is a placemat, that it was cut up. It looks great. Let me move my light a little bit so you guys can see. But as you see, it's kind of dark now, but yep, it looks very nice, very nice. And like I said before, everything came from Dollar Tree. So let me try to put something together for you. So as you see, I went back into my fall bin. Well, you guys didn't see this, but I have a fall bin with all my fall decor in there, and I broke out my turkey. So see how this looks, and you can even have this on like a mantle or something. And like I said, nobody would never ever know that it's a placemat unless they bought it themselves and used it as a placemat. But now once they see it in a frame, they're going to rethink that. They're going to rethink that. Don't be surprised if you go to their house and see them with the same frame, and that they didn't cut up their placemat and put it into a frame like you did. But this is just like a little sample fall piece to get y'all ready for fall. Make sure that you rate, comment, and subscribe. I would love to have you guys. And until next time, I hope you're inspired.